In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a Magellan Roadmate 2000. Okay? Now right over here you have Phillips head screws that need to be removed. You're going to need a precision head Phillips screwdriver. Be careful because the speaker is connected to the back. There's a wire there, so just gently lift this up. And right here is the battery, so you can just lift it right out. Now it's glued in, so just gently just pry it out. And right here there's a ribbon cable, so you could just pull this out. And that's how you take the battery out. So to replace the battery, put the cable in, press it in like so, and just put the battery back in. So there you go. That is how to replace the battery. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.